Morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to study about how to create a form in HTML. Form, you all know, that you fill for your admission, that you fill for bank to take out the withdrawals or to submit money. Similarly, different forms are available all over. So class, how to create this form. So class, first thing that you have to learn, there is a new tag name form. This is a container tag. You have to start and you have to close this tag. Now next, so I have created some program in your mobile app. So class, as you know, HTML head title I have written as form 1, head, then body, you all know till here, body close and HTML close. Now class, this is the heading that I have made for it. Now main thing is this to learn. So class, to create a form we have to start with form and we have to close with form. After that I want to create a means something like name, and I want to give a space where the student can write their name. So for that I have to use input tag, and the attributes of input is type. Under the type I have given text, so we can write the text here. Similarly for class I have made. Similarly for date of birth I have made. This will get display as it is, and there will come a box where you can write. Now see the output. This is the output of that program that I have made right now. Now class, next element I have added, I want to give the student the option, they can enter, they can click on male or female. So class, you see here you can see that I have used radio type number 1. This is same, input is same, type is same, but in place of text I have written here radio, and I have given name R1 and R2. Now class, if I will give the same name R1 and R1, then what will happen? Out of these two, only one will get clicked. If I will click here and then I click here, then what will happen? It will get close and it will be remain clicked, because any student can either be a male or a female. So for that, what we want to do, we want to we want to click for only one option. So for that, what you will do, you will in here what you will do, you will make it R1 only. You try with this R2 also, you will see that both will be get clicked, but when you will write here R1, only one will get clicked. Now next thing that I have added is the checkbox. I want to give the option to the user that they can to the student that they can select their hobbies also. So I have given 3 hobbies. So for that I have used checkbox instead of radio. So class, see how it works. It will come like this. You can see this, there is a square box. You can click multiple option in this, multiple option, but in this only one will be clicked. So this is the thing. Now next thing that I have added is the text area. I want the user to write about themselves, so I have used uh, text area. This is other than input. This is not input type. This is another tag, that is text area. You can specify rows and columns. Here rows means like first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line they can write, and column means words, how many words they can write in one line. It means will we will be giving the option if if the user will start writing here till 30th will be seen, and after that it will not be seen. That is the thing. Similarly for rows also, 5 rows will be seen, next rows will not be seen. User is typing, and these columns and rows means which will be shown there. It is not like that we can write only 5 columns only. So class, you can see that write about yourself, and there is the area coming here, and if you will check for this will be first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. And if we talk about the words, 30 words can be written here. So that's the thing here. Next I want to give the user to select the state. So for that we have to use one more tag, that is select, and we have to give options as we used to give in ol and ul tag li. Here we have to give these options. So what will happen, it will come like this. State will come, you can see that state will come, and in front of the state these options will come, and you can select any of the option. Next is after select I have used another, that is input type is equals to reset and input type is equals to button. Now you can see that there are two buttons, and you can see the state one also, select one also. When you will click on this, then all the option will come, MP, UP, MP and Uttarakhand, as I have given the option, it will come. And talking about this reset button and the submit button, reset button, when you will click, whatever is written here, whatever the user will write, it will get blanked again. You can see that I have written everything here, and when I have clicked this reset button, it has again become blanked. And this submit button is for the, when you have written everything, when you will click on this, it will get submit to internet. But for this we need to learn JavaScript also, that is not in your syllabus. So this submit button is just we have made, it is of no use. But reset button has a use, as I have shown you. Whatever you will write, you will click here, you will click here, you will click here, you will write here, and you will click this reset button, then it will again become the blank. So class, this is the form. You have to do it practically and let me know where is the problem. That's all class.